general characteristics of the organic compounds. So let's have a look at what are the general characteristics of the organic compounds. We have the remaining six. First, we have learned the six characteristics of organic compounds, and we have learned the composition of the organic compounds. We have learned the covalent nature of the organic compounds. Next one, we have learned the solubility of the organic compounds or the hydrocarbons. Fourth one, we have learned about the low melting point and the boiling point of organic compounds. Fifth one, we have learned about their thermal instability, instability, and the sixth one, we have learned about the inflammability of the organic compounds. So today we will learn about the remaining six characteristics. For example, it may include the reactivity of organic compounds. It may include the isomers or the isomerism of property of the organic compounds. It may include the burning or the burn of organic compounds, with the smoky flame, and then we have their non-ionic character or nature. Then we have their similarity in behavior due to their functional groups, and we have the 12th one there, electrical conductivity. So let's start from the reactivity of the organic compounds. If we are talking about the reactivity of the organic compounds, all the reactions that are involving the organic compounds, they are much slower. So the reactions of the organic compounds are mainly slower than the reaction that involve the inorganic substances. And what is the reason behind that? Because for their reactions there is the requirement of heat. So these reactions mainly require the heating for the mixing and for the proper use of the use of catalyst, there is the need of heat. So that's why on the reactivity of the organic compound is less as compared to the inorganic compounds. If we have the reactions of organic compounds, these are slower than the reactions of inorganic compounds. And what is the reason? Because these reactions need the heat for the mixing and the proper use of the catalysts. So this is the reason behind that the reactions are slower. Next we have the eighth one property for the organic compounds. They burn with the smoky flame. So when higher molecular organic compounds burn, higher organic molecules burn, then they produce then they produces the smoky flame, as this is due to the incomplete combustion. So basically we are going to talk about the combustion of the organic compounds. They produce the smoky flame, and that has been mainly produces by the higher organic molecules. Higher organic molecules mean they're having a large number of carbon atoms that may run about from carbon 42, or maybe we can say that carbon 20 to carbon 40, or may be carbon to infinity. When we have a large number of carbon in organic compounds, then they will burn with the smoky flame. Next, we have the ninth one property of the organic compound. It is their isomerism. Isomerism is that phenomena in which two or more organic compounds, in which two or more organic compounds can have same molecular formula, but they have different, or they may differ in the structure formula. So this is mainly phenomena known as isomerism, and the example for this we have, for example, ethyl, dimethyl ether. Its molecular formula we have C2H6O, and for the alcohol, that is ethanol, the formula is C2H6O, and their structure formula we have, for dimethyl ether we have CH3 and CH3. On the other hand, for ethanol we have CH3, CH2OH. So this is dimethyl ether having two carbon, six hydrogen and one oxygen atom, and it is also having two carbon, six hydrogen and one oxygen atom. So they are having the same molecular formula, but they differ in the structure formula. This phenomena is known as isomerism. So this is the characteristics of the carbon. Next we have its non-ionic character. Non-ionic character means they do not furnish ions, or they do not produce ions. So the covalent or the organic compounds do not produce ions, they show molecular reactions. They have not ionic reactions, they have molecular reactions mainly. And the organic compounds have mainly the bond that is known as covalent bond. They have covalent bond between carbon and carbon, and between hydrogen and carbon. And their electronegativity difference is very small. So that's why they are mainly non-polar in nature, and they show non-ionic character, and they do not get dissolved in water to produce the ions. So this is their non-ionic character of the organic compounds. Next we have similarity in behavior. We have different organic compounds. We have a look on the different organic compounds. Then these organic compounds may have close relationship with each other, and when they have close relationship with each other, this is known as they have same functional groups. And due to this similarity in behavior, they form the long chains, or have long series of related, or we can say that the similar organic compounds, and these long series of organic compounds are known as homologous series. We call it as homologous series. So they have similarity in behavior. At the last we have the electrical conductivity. Now electrical conductivity, if we are talking about the organic compound, then they are poor conductors of electricity, or we can say that in both state, if they are in the fused state, or if they are in the solution form, in both the state they have less conductivity, or we can say that they cannot conduct electricity. And this is due to their non-polar covalent bond. They have non-polar covalent bond, so that's why they are poor conductors of electricity. I hope you guys understand about our today's lecture, and this is all about. And if you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section. For that time, have a good day, and Allah Hafiz.